Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover abstraction concept in Java. Abstraction is a general idea, a general term using which we could generalize a type. For example, using boy, we could generalize any boy. Using girl, we could generalize any girl. Using man, we could generalize any man. So boy, girl, man are abstract. Opposite of abstract is concrete. That means instead of generalizing, when we point out a particular object, it is called concrete. For example, if we point out a particular boy, Rohit, then Rohit is concrete, but boy is abstract. If we point out a particular girl, Puspa, then Puspa is concrete, but girl is abstract. If we point out a particular man, Arun, then Arun is concrete, but man is abstract. Similarly, using car, we could generalize any car, so car is abstract. But if we point out a particular car, for example, Tata car, then Tata car is concrete. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.